everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to change the name you're using in meetings in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Meet website and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see at the left side of the screen you have two options for creating or joining a meeting. So as you can see here guys, the first option is called new meeting, and when clicking on this button you have the option to create a meeting for yourself. So you can create a meeting for later, or just create a meeting instantly, schedule it in Google Calendar and so on. But guys, if you want to join someone else's meeting, then what you have to do is get a link or a code from them that they're going to send you and just paste it right here. And after pasting it guys, you're going to go ahead and click the join button right here so that you will successfully join their meeting. So guys, let's say that you have joined their meeting or you have created your own meeting, but you do not like the name that you're using for meetings. So now I'm going to be showing you how to change that, and it only takes a couple of steps. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go right here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is. So go ahead guys and click on that icon right there. And after clicking that icon guys, this will now open up this new drop down tab where you have multiple options such as changing your profile picture or signing out and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click this option right here called manage your Google account. So guys, after clicking on manage your Google account, this will now open up this new tab in your browser that will lead you to the page where you can manage your account. So as you can see at the left side of the screen guys, you can see that you have multiple options such as the home option, personal info, data and privacy and so on. What we want to do is go ahead and click the second option right here called personal info. And now this will open up this new page where you can edit basic info about your profile such as your email, date of birth and so on. And what we want to do guys is go ahead and click the second option right here called name. Go ahead guys, click on name, and now this will open up the option for you to change your name. You can do that by clicking this edit option at the right side of your name. After clicking that guys, you can go ahead and change your name to whatever you want, to whatever you want your name to be. After that guys, just go ahead and click on save, and then it will automatically save. As you can see here, you can also change your nickname that you want to use if you want. It isn't necessary, but after you're finished with both your name and nickname, you can just go back to the Google Meet option guys, and now your name will successfully, you'll see it change right here, and you can now join meetings with your new name. So yeah guys, that's how you did it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.